my second cousin twice removed, plus 2.
Yeah, we just went to a winery.
It's a winery?
Yeah, it's a winery, it's a restaurant, it's a cafe.
Cool.
Yeah.
I got this thing.
Alright. I see those all. This is like the not beautiful part.
This is where they do all the stuff.
Huh?
Right. This is cool.
It's the Starbucks capital.
Seattle was the first Starbucks company where the first location was, and it's where the first Starbucks was ever located, which you can also find at the Seattle market we went to yesterday. Oh my gosh. I love this.
This is like a really big tunnel.
Yeah, it's really fun to go through.
Hold your breath.
I don't know if you want to hold your breath this whole time. This is like.
Hey. Do you want your drink or your phone?
Yes, I do. I just want to put my hair out.
This music's a vibe. Or what's it called? Park.
The oil park. It's like an old oil thing turned into a park.
Hold on. It's called Gasworks Park. Yeah, we're gonna go there. An actual playground and not industrial things. No, this is the playground. What?
I almost tripped.
Oh.
There's probably definitely a summer camp.
At the bottom of the slide.
I'm filming. Give me 1 second.
Going down the slide. Mason! That was fun. A bridge troll. I'm on a giant troll. It's scary. What's up here? Oh, cool. This bridge is cooler than the troll. My first big gulp ever. We just got Trader Joe's. We found the Trader Joe's bags, the viral ones. Yes, insanely.
Like in Minnesota,
people-
I guess they are.
No, like everywhere.
I've never heard of that.
People like line up at 2 a.m. to get them. We got 2 of them, and we got donuts that are. Mason already ate his donuts. I
The
ate half.
top pot. The top pot is amazing.
Hot.
Top pot.
I thought you said top pot. Top pot.
No.
So we got these at Trader Joe's, and we're gonna try them. We're gonna try them. They're the mochi.
Oh my gosh, my teeth are stained red.
Here, hold on. I'm trying to open them.
You can do this. think they'll be like bubble gum.
I think they're strawberry.
I think they're gonna taste like bubble gum. Kind of both. Kind of like both.
That's really good.
They're alright.
I love them.
I know.
More for me.
Is my chocolate in this bag? My chocolate's in this bag.
Yeah, it is.
They look like cigarettes.
Oh.
Crazies now. They are Trader Joe's milk chocolate bar. Very yummy. I've tried them before.
It's like your thing.
You want to try some?
Sure.
They're so good. Okay. Hi. I'm gonna try it. Is it good? Like really good? Yeah, another.
Alright. Chocolate.
You want to try some?
That's all for now.
Nope.
It's been a minute.
Lisa.
We're back at Pike Place Market.
Oh yeah.
Seattle
We've been
Alphabet.
back.
It's Shrek. Mason's following the unicorns.
Go some popcorn shop. Wanna go?
Bro's so cute. Just walking through Seattle. Random pigeons on the ground. A bunch of fruit and stuff. So cool. We're going to the Lynx game now, and I made a sign. And on the other thing it says it's their anniversary because my parents' anniversaries also happens to be today. So yeah, I'm really excited.
Bright umbrella.
Got in the stadium. Got this free little token thing.
I love it.
I have my sign. Climate play. Doppler.
Let's hear it for Storm.
We're in the gift shop. Mason's trying to get Hello Kitty stuff.